Hi all, I welcome you for another session in engineering drawing. Myself, Sambasam, working in the Department of Mechatronics Engineering as an assistant professor. Hope everybody is enjoying the last previous videos on the session. Now I'm going towards next part of session like development of surface. Normally, as in the previous classes, I have discussed about how the development has to be carried out. Right. Today we are going to discuss about the development of square prisms. So the normally a square prism is nothing but an which has an equal size, four size, and also as well as height will be differs based upon the altitude they have given. So the both sides is square, but it is connected to a rectangular prism, rectangular surfaces. So this is how called the prism right now. So basically it has how it can be stitched around one when the connection of D to A is removed or it will be extended, how it will look like that. So now I am moving towards this surface right now. I'd like to share this already software where I have given the simplest of simple problems like development of square prism with a side of base 35 mm and altitude height is about 50 mm right now. So first I have to start the line. We have to check cross verify how the dimensions right 50 mm line. So I'm going to mark this dark color. So from this the side is 35 mm right now. So the first side has been drawn. Then again 35 mm I have been drawn. Similarly, 35 mm I am connected this 35 mm. From this point, I like to draw the trace lines with the different shadings right now. So from this point, I like to draw till the above surfaces. Similarly, from this point to till the above surfaces. So as I said earlier, right, this is nothing but the square which has always has an equal sides. So when I look, when I draw, I have to mention this is your A. When in the bracket, this will be is 1. Similarly, this is B in bracket, it will be 2 because the begin side we cannot able to see in bracket 3, and similarly this is D in bracket, it is 4. So I have to draw the height. So the normally the center point from this one right now. So I have to draw from this point with an height of 50 mm. So the 50 mm is normal height. So this line is nothing but an axis line. So similarly, I have to draw a point with a size of 50 mm in black color for the outer surface. Right from this point, I have to draw this 50 mm. Again, I have to draw based upon this line sectors. Then I have to join. Then I have to join from this surfaces to the below surface. Similarly, from this surface to this surface. So as I said earlier, right. We have to mention this one as when I see we can able to see A, but we cannot able to see D dash. So for visibility, I have tracked down this one, and similarly from this point we can able to see B dash, but we can't able to see C dash. Similarly from this point we can able to see 1 dash in bracket, we can't able to see the 4 dash. Similarly from here we can able to see 2 dash in bracket, we can't able to see 3 dash. So this is how we can able to draw the simplest projection, right? So everybody knows how to draw the simple projection right now. Now I'm looking towards the surfaces. So for that, I like to draw. I like to remove these surfaces from one surface because it is easily you can able to trim the surfaces right now. So I have trimmed the surfaces. From this point, I like to draw a 4 side structures, which is nothing but within 35 mm of size. So 1. Again, it will be 35 mm of 2, and again it will be 35 mm of 3 surfaces and 35 mm of 4 surfaces. And the development is also equal size. So yeah, I have to draw with the equal size. Then I have to test this up. Similarly, from this point, I have to draw one surface till top. Similarly, another 35 mm. Similarly, from the intersection point of another 35 mm. So I would like to mark this as 1, this as 2, this as 3, this as 4, and finally this as 5. Similarly, in the upper version, it will be A, this as B, this as C, this as D, this is again it will be A. Hope everybody is able to understand because it is the total height. Similarly, when I look this using the small dimension, the total dimension is 140. From each surface we can able to see 35 like this, we can able to conversion, right? So we can able to do the 35 mm. So the line has to be drawn particularly according to this surfaces, right? So 35 mm has to be drawn now. So while connecting, we can able to understand what is the actual error we have done by using this easily dimension surface. Similarly, when you look from this side, it is some 35 mm. When you see the side of both sides, it will be around 35 mm. So everybody is understood how the development of square prism has to be drawn within clear understanding of view through solid software. Thank you for watching this video. I will catch up in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.